in the media conference with Lal Goyal, which is brought to you by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV India, News Gaon Se, Samvad Sarokar News, Bharat Post News, Organ Donation India Foundation and Gyan. Our endeavor is to enlighten you with the current topic. But today is a celebration day, and the celebration is because V4 News is celebrating its 16th anniversary. So before I will go and we will start our celebration, I would like to inform you that today is the World Music Day. World Music Day is an annual music celebration that takes place on 21st June. On Music Day, the citizens of a city or a country are allowed and urged to play music outside in their neighborhoods or in public space and parks. Free concerts are also organized where musicians play for fun and not for payment. The first all-day musical celebration on the day of the summer solstice was organized by Jacques Lang, Minister of Culture of France, as well as by Maurice Fliot. It was celebrated in Paris in 1982. Music Day later became celebrated in 130 countries around the world. It is celebrated to provide a platform for amateur and professional musicians to showcase their talents. And we are also celebrating, the world is celebrating the International Day of Yoga. The International Day of Yoga has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015, following its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which originated in India. The theme for International Yoga Day 2021 is Yoga for Well-being. Yoga is the dance of every cell with the music of every breath and creates inner serenity and harmony. Pivotal role it plays in rejuvenating our mind and the body, leading to a healthier lifestyle. Yoga not only provides physical and mental relaxation, but also develops strength and resilience. The numerous benefits of the yoga make it a popular practice for people across the globe, especially in times of a pandemic when mental and physical health is under stress. Media conference with wish you on World Music Day and International Day of Yoga. Now, coming on our main thing, the celebration, that is the pride of Mangalore, the V4 News. Mangalore, officially known as Mangalore, is a major port city of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is located between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats, about 352 kilometers west of Bangalore, the state capital, 20 kilometers north of Karnataka, Kerala border, 297 kilometers south of Goa, and 416 kilometers north of Kochi. Mangalore is the state's only city to have all four modes of transport: air, road, rail, and sea. The population of the urban agglomeration was 6,19,664 according to the 2011 National Census of India. It is best known for being one of the locations of the Indian strategic petroleum reserves. The city developed as a port in the Arabian Sea during ancient times. It has since developed into a major port of India that handles 75% of India's coffee and cashew exports and is the country's 7th largest container port. Mangalore has been ruled by several major powers, including the Kadambas, Alupas, Vijayanagar Empire, Keladi Nayaks, and the Portuguese. The city was a source of contentions between British and the Kingdom of Mysore rurals, Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, and was eventually annexed by the British in 1799. Mangalore remained part of the Madras Presidency until India's independence in 1947 and was unified with Mysore state, now called Karnataka, in 1956. In 1498, European influence in Mangalore began with the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama landed at St. Mary's Island, Mangalore. Mangalore is also the administrative headquarters of the Dakshin Kannada district and is a commercial, industrial, educational, healthcare, and startup hub. This city's international airport is the second largest and second busiest airport in Karnataka. Mangalore City Corporation is responsible for the civic administration, which manages the 60 wards of the city. The city's landscape is characterized by rolling hills, coconut palms, rivers, and hard laterial soil. India's first 3D planetarium with 8,000 resolution display is situated in this city. Mangalore is also included in the Smart Cities Mission list and is among the 100 smart cities to be developed in India. The city has an average elevation of 22 meters above mean sea level. Mangalore has a tropical monsoon climate and is under the influence of the southwest monsoon. In 2017, Mangalore was ranked the 48th best city to live in the world by a US survey and the only Indian city in the top 50. Mangalore was named after the deity Mangala Devi, the presiding deity of the Mangala Devi temple. Mangalore's diverse communities have different names for the city in their languages. In Tulu, the region's primary spoken language, the city is called Kudla, meaning junction because it is situated at the confluence of the Netravati and Gurupura rivers. In Konkani, Mangalore is referred to as Kodiyal, while in Malayalam, Mangalore is called Mangalapuram, and the very name for the city is Maikala. Mangalore was officially renamed to Mangaluru by the Karnataka government on 1st November 2014. In 1760, Hyder Ali, the de facto ruler of the Kingdom of Mysore, conquered Mangalore, which was brought under his administration until 1767. Mangalore was ruled by the British East India Company from 1767 to 1783, but Hyder Ali's son Tipu Sultan subsequently took it from their control in 1783 and renamed it Jalalabad. The Second Anglo-Mysore War ended with the signing of the Treaty of Mangalore by Tipu Sultan and the British East India Company on 11th March 1784. After European missionaries arrived in the early 19th century, educational institutions and modern industries modeled on European ones were developed in the region. The opening of the Lutheran Swiss Basel Mission in 1834 was an important step towards industrialization. Missionaries set up printing presses, textile mills, and factories that made Mangalore tiles. When Kanara, part of the Madras Presidency until this time, was split into North Kanara and South Kanara in 1859, Mangalore became the headquarters of South Kanara, which remained under the Madras Presidency, while in 1862, North Kanara was transferred to the Bombay Presidency. The States Reorganization Act 1956 led to Mangalore being incorporated into the newly created Mysore state, which was later renamed Karnataka. Mangalore is the 7th largest port of India, giving the state access to the Arabian Sea coastline. Between 1970 and 1980, Mangalore experienced significant growth with the opening of new Mangalore port in 1974 and commissioning of Mangalore Chemical and Fertilizer Limited in 1976. The late 20th and early 21st century saw Mangalore develop as a commercial and petrochemical hub. And today we are going to talk about the pride of Mangalore, V4 News. V4 News on today's date, that is on 21st June, V4 News came in existence. V4 News was pioneer and this came 16 years back. V4 News was pioneer in TV channel in South Karnataka. It was part of the LS Media under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Lakshman Kundar. I would like to say one very interesting thing. In South India, and especially of this side, they also write the name of the mother as a surname. So the surname of the mother is Suvarna. So Mr. Lakshman is also known as Mr. Lakshman Suvarna Kundar. V4 News 24/7 is a 24 hours news channel. Apart from covering local, national, and international news, it also covers all important events and happenings in and around Mangalore, as also the events of national and international importance. Importance is also given to the local culture, thus making it a very popular channel of coastal Karnataka region. They are today coastal Karnataka's leading private TV network channel for the past 16 years with more than 300 in-house shows and programs. Their leading program this year is CPL Comedy Premier League with about 25 lakhs viewers all over Karnataka. They recently launched Karnataka's first multilingual OTT platform, V4 Stream. V4 Stream currently offers more than 100 live TV channels, including movies in several languages. They are also streaming many major sports and events. Good quality streaming of videos across devices and platforms make V4 Stream the most unique video destination for over-the-top OTT video consumers. Their www.facebook.com V4 Stream have more than 1,75,000 likes and 1,88,000 followers in Facebook. They have more than 10,000 users of OTT and 1,56,000 YouTube subscribers. Their programs have viewed by 4 crores 20 lakhs 29,886 viewers, and the v4news.com has more than 1 lakh logins. V4 News is a trusted news channel of coastal Karnataka. V4 News channel and v4news.com being the most loved news channel and web of the people in the coastal Karnataka and Gulf countries and worldwide. Its newscast throwing light over the pressing problems such as health, art, sports related programs coupled with entertainment-oriented programs are accepted and praised world over. And I would like to put on record that media conference with Lal Goyal, which started about 16 months back, when they approached to V4 News, to Mr. Lakshman Kundar, immediately without taking any second, he immediately accepted that, yes, he would like to live stream and show live our program of 1.5 hours. Recently, about 1 month back, I wanted to start the Hindi program in the evening called Kal Aaj or Kal Lal Goyal Ke Sang for half an hour. I just asked him because I was, to be very frank, not at all sure that he is going to live stream the Hindi program in this part of South. But without hesitation, he says he wants to promote the culture, the language, without any distinction of caste, creed, religion from all over the world. So immediately they started our program. So that is the greatness of V4 News. I know them personally for last more than 15 years. So today we are celebrating their 16th anniversary, and to talk about their life journey, how the V4 News has affected and may put the Mangalore on the world map in the cultural events and many more way. We have a very, very elite, knowledgeable, those who knows Mangalore as well as V4 News very closely, panelist with us. I would like to invite my first panelist, and he is Mr. Ram Mohan Pai Marur. Mr. Ram Mohan Pai is the former president of Canara Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mangalore. He is the partner in Marur Group of companies, which is having 10 companies. He was the chairman of Automobile Committee of Canara Chambers of Commerce and Industries from 2011 to 2015. He was in managing committee of DK Automobile and Tire Dealers Association from 2002 to 2013. He was secretary Federation Karnataka Mobiles Association from 2003 to 2005. He was member of Winners Club Toastmaster International and held several office bearers posts. He was member of Rotary Club of Mangalore Central up to 2013. He was a state level football player and represented state in national level. He was active in dramatics and acted in state level all college drama competition and won the Best Actor Award. He also acted in Konkani drama, which was played in the several cities all over India. Welcome, Mr. Ram Mohan Pai Marur on our show. Mr. Ram Mohan Pai, you you are from Mangalore and you are associated with the industries very, very closely. You have association and you have seen the rise of Mangalore in very closely. And you have also observed the scene from the inception, the rise of V4 News. We would like to know your views on the pride of Mangalore, V4 News. Mr. Ram Mohan Pai Marur, please.
Thank you, Mr. Goyal. First of all, I would like to introduce the public that how I came to know you. More, I met sir in 2014-15 at the airport authority meeting, which when I was the president of the Chamber of Commerce, I had an opportunity to meet Mr. Goyal. It's a pleasure from then to have you have associated with you for so many years, sir. And I have been seeing the hard work, and I can call you as the first citizen of India for saving lives. That is, so I know you as a human being rather than in many other things.
Nice.
Next, coming to the channel, I knew Dinesh Kundar through sports, that Lakshman Kundar's elder brother, from the age of maybe about 15, when all three brothers were wrestlers. They were participating in sports as wrestlers. And slowly Dinesh Kundar, I came to know him because of sports, a lot of sports. And Lakshman Kundar also was active in sports, as they have been promoting basketball. Dinesh Kundar used to promote athletics. His another brother Raj was into wrestling, and Lakshman Kundar, of course, was a wrestler, and then he started promoting basketball. As far as V4 channel is concerned, I know them from the day they have started cable. One of my friend, Mr. Srinivas Kini, was they were pioneers of the cable industry. Then they came to our area, Matadakani. Srinivas Kini was handling the thing. Then in between, he passed it on to these Kundar brothers. They had a channel from around maybe about 25 to 30 years. They have been having the cable connections and handling on. They have come with great difficulty and hard work. It is not a joke. They have come from zero. They have worked hard and built up this. And after it was in 2006 or 5, before that they came into this V4. There is another media, which in that media, this I think Kundar started the news in 2006. And it is not a easy task which he had worked in the media. It is very, very difficult to be without being biased. And from the past 15 to 16 years, I have been watching these people working very hard and very sincere and not biased to any politically or religious. These are all very, very delicate things which has to be handled very well. And I think this Kundar has taken it very, very seriously, and very, very, growth can happen if you are on one side or the other side. Somewhere you might grow high or may fall down. But here Kundars have been very, very non-biased, and they have come up in a very hard way. As far as Mangalore is concerned, there are a lot of things which they have given importance to, is all the live medias. I have seen them, being first news blowers of the Mangalore. When it came to the Air India accident, which took place about 10 to a decade back, they were the first people to, be live on the air, and they are there where the news is there. They are very fast working, and they are slowly creeping up and growing strong. I'm happy to be here today and give some of the things. I being in Chamber of Commerce, they have we had our when I was luckily I was the 75th year president. That is the Ghibli president. So I could get I was lucky to be the 75th year president, and so Kundar definitely, because he knew me, they took initiatives and give lot of encouragement to our Chamber of Commerce. And talking about Mangalore, Mangalore is a wonderful place to live. Though the media is showing a lot of controversies, I think it is the safest and the best place to live at. This is what I would like to share my thoughts.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Ramon Pai Marur, for giving your views. First of all, I would like to tell one more thing, which although he has mentioned, I was obliged, because when I met him for the first time at the airport, which he has mentioned, because I was a very frequent traveler and I used to travel very frequently between Mangalore and Mumbai. And I was seeing the growth of this Mangalore airport. And I found the role of the Canara Chambers of Commerce of Industries has played a very big role. And when I met Mr. Pai, I was amazed to see his simplicity and his clear vision when he was talking about in that meeting. And he was very clear to see to it that Mangalore airport should come on a world map. And it has paid the dividend. It was declared one of the best airport services in the world. I think about 1 or 2 years after when we met. It has come.
Mr. Radhakrishna.
Was the airport director at that time.
Yeah.
And I also met you at one of the programs somewhere in Bekal. When we met, when we were there. So I found him to be very closely observing and trying to improve the things, not putting any weight or any ear, which generally those who have been elected and a president of such type of organizations do. And what he has mentioned about V4 News, I will just add one thing, that the V4 News was one of my initial thing who were airing all the programs. And definitely, I must also thank Mr. Paul, the chairman, Global TV, who, along with V4 News, were one of the reason that organ donation awareness program has taken so much in Mangalore and other places because of their very open approach. Whenever we used to organize a program, they were always there. And V4 News, I still remember, whenever we have any event here regarding any social work, without any problem, they says we are going to live telecast the program. Now, this is something which otherwise today, as Mr. Marur has mentioned, today the condition of media is not that good. The other day I was doing a program on media only, and even the Business World chairman was telling, he was also the founder of Exchange for Media, and he was saying that today the media is totally gone down because of several reasons. But we can vouch, as Mr. Pai has vouched, about the V4 impartial news, and all the social works. They are always eager to show, whether it's a sports event, any social cause. They are always, whether it's a plantation news, whether it's an organ donation, I must give thanks to them that they are always there to help us. Thank you very much, Mr. Pai, for giving your views. Now I would like to invite my next guest, and he is Dr. Kurian. Dr. Kurian is MSW, MPhil, PhD. Dr. Kurian is the principal of Alvas College, Moorbidri. Dr. Kurian worked from 1991 to 2000 with Koraga tribes of Dakshin Kannada through Samagra Gramin Ashram Corp, which is involved in tribal activism in Karnataka. He was principal of Alvas College of Social Work from 2000 to 2009. He has been the member of BOE and BOS of Mangalore University. He initiated 16 new postgraduate programs and coordinated and implemented the academic, administrative, and infrastructural and research requirements. He coordinated NAC visit for the first time in the institute and completed the NAC accreditation. He initiated more than 30 certificate courses. He initiated various teacher development programs. He initiated research-centered pedagogy for postgraduate department. He is guiding and monitoring the academic functioning of 174 faculty members and 40 departments. Before I will go to Dr. Kurian, I would like here again to mention how the V4 News has given, was having an association with Alvaz College, thanks to Dr. Mohan Alva as well as to Dr. Kurian for giving them to allowing them to telecast a weekly program about the news, which was created by their journalism student. I think Dr. Kurian will put more light on this. But I was so happy when Mr. Lakshman told me that they have been associated with Alvaz and they are doing this thing. It shows that the openness from both the side, from the Alvaz College as well as from V4 News side, that the V4 News also understood that the youth or the young generation is required to give the platform, proper platform, so that they will also be developed in a positive media, which they were doing. And I must give thanks to both of the institutions, whether it is Alvaz institution or the V4 News. So Dr. Kurian, you have heard what Mr. Parur has mentioned, Mr. Pai has mentioned, Mr. Marur has mentioned, and you know Mr. Kundar well, you know the V4 News, you know Mangalore well. I need not to introduce about that. So now I want your views on the pride of Mangalore V4 News. Dr. Kurian, please.
Namaste, everybody. Lakshan sir, congratulations for you on this occasion that you have done a great work of establishing a media house and running it successfully to 16 years. As Lal Goyal sir was rightly mentioning, being a principal, being a person of Mudubidre and being a person of Mangalore, I have seen how media houses have evolved in our district, especially over the last 20-30 years. And I'm from a generation where we were waiting for newspapers of 2 days back, because that was the age when I was completing my college. From there, we have come to a situation today where we have news and events on our fingertips. This probably this 40 or 50 years of journey in Mangalore, especially, where the first newspaper born due to the Basel mission. This information sharing is a very, very important aspect that has happened in Dakshina Kannada. Among this, I say Mangalore has a very special ability of digesting information in a different way. All the whole people of South Kannada and North Kannada, for that matter, we are not much carried away with the rumors as other people do. If you observe any kind of incidences, Mangalore or South Kannada is the one which would react with a kind of a patient way and understanding way, a rational way. Probably all the media in South Kannada has a great role to play in this, the way they handle and the way they put across messages to the people all across. Lakshman sir is a great friend of mine, because we, during judiciary, Virasat, any program of Alvaz College, probably he is the one who arrived one day before to set up his live programs. And every time when he comes in, because we also will be involved in kind of preparation, we have considered him as a part of Alvaz. Basically, his interest, why it's not because Alvaz, he has a commitment of a definitely thought out process of commitment. Basically, the cultural and sports events which takes place in Alvaz has been continuously supported by him. So support is, I believe, it is not to Alvaz, but to a cause where he believes, and I have seen him working to see that this happens exactly, where the positive vibes and news have to spread across. It is the responsibility of a media is to see that people are fed with enough to discuss, understand, and grow, rather than getting directed. So I place my thanks on this platform to acknowledge that V4 Media has taken up a responsibility of placing a lot of things in front of the people impartially, to use it and grow rather than guiding them in a particular way. As Lal Goyal sir was rightly saying, it was even Dr. Ramohan sir was rightly saying unbiased. It is not only unbiased, definitely they have played a role of a media in exact the way what the media has to do. That is placing things in front of the people and making them more wiser and helping them to take wise decisions. As you all know, Mangalore is the whole South Canara and Uttara Kannada where they are connected is a place where a lot of cultural diversity exists. And I truly acknowledge their channel V4 News and V4 Media has definitely done a lot of things. If you just look back, you will understand the kind of approach they have taken to support these people, support the whole kind of programs in these two districts. Definitely the credit goes to them. Probably when they complete their 25 years, I'll bet their channel will be the first to record. As an academician, what I see is the media work, the work of a media is not only an instant work, it also creates a big record of the way they grow. So when they grow, they make people also grow in a particular direction. So V4 Media has a great possibility to be showcased as a source of a lot of information on these two districts and their growth, their political or especially the cultural and educational growth changes that has happened in our district. So I'm very sure V4 Media has a great role to play there. And then when it comes to education, as Lal Goyal sir has rightly mentioned, our college, which has a journalism postgraduate course and a graduate courses, the practical requirement of our students is definitely supported in a great way by V4 Media, where our small news bulletins are being telecasted, all our programs are being telecasted. Our children get a lot of opportunity to learn from them through internships. So I believe the commitment of the channel to the society in general, positive news, creating events for the people to think in a right direction, and supporting all those organizations and people who are really working for the development and progress of the whole district. I believe if at all we can consider the media as an important partner in societal growth or development, V4 Media can be considered as an important partner, taking up a responsibility of making it what a media has to make. So I believe the contribution is great. And when I see today, when I go to Mangalore or when I travel around in South Canara, I feel that from last 40 years, we have grown much. We have evolved so much that the whole growth of the whole period of 40 years is also attributed to all the media houses in South Canara, and especially the V4 News and V4 channels. I salute them for their contribution, not as only as a teacher, but also as the person who has been born and brought up in this district and seen a growth of its in 40, 50 years. I congratulate Lakshman sir and I wish him all the best. I heard it's birthday today. I again place on record a great journey for you. Happy birthday. And Lakshman sir, we would like to be having you again and again with us with all those positive aspects of your media interest and the way you have gone about, and definitely your interest in sports, cultural activities, education, and the development of people. These 4 areas are definitely the founder pillars of, or going to be the guiding pillars of media, or any media, for if at all somebody is looking for a model. I wish sincerely this model will evolve into much more heights, and I wish all the best for the media on its 16th birthday. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kurian, for giving such a nice word, talking about and giving your views about V4 News. You rightly mentioned about the cultural activities. I remember when after this pub incident, that infamous incident of Mangalore, there was no events are taking place, proper events were taking place in Mangalore. Mr. Kundar approached me and he says, can we organize something which will showcase Mangalore in a positive way? And that was time we organized Miss Mangalore and afterwards Miss Karnataka. The problem was people were having the perception that it is not a good thing to showcase Miss Mangalore or such type of beauty pageants. But it was when it was presented at our place with the V4 News live telecasting the programs, it has changed the entire scenario. And I can even put on record that one of the contestants today who is in the top 5 in the Indian Idol, when there was a program at our Pandit Resort, and with V4 News, Mr. Kundar, Lakshman Kundar suggested me, please take, he's a good singer. At that time, he was just started, he started his singing, Mr. Nihal Taro. And he's right now appearing in the Indian Idol. And he came and he appeared in our program. So one can very well see how many artists, how many those boys and girls, as Dr. Kurian has also mentioned, those journalists and otherwise also, and the sports person, they got the break through the V4 News, which is a remarkable thing. As Dr. Kurian as well as Mr. Pai mentioned about the downfall of the media, I can very well say that the national media failed to deliver their duties. But we are proud to say that V4 News here, with their impartial reporting, with involvement of all types of activities, whichsoever is beneficial for the society at large, they are always ahead. And we have seen them in all events. Thank you. And again, we can say thanks to Mr. Kundar. But we must also give I must give thanks to Dr. Kurian for giving his views, because attachment of association of Alvas with V4 has also opened a new dimension in the field of media, that why not media should attach just to criticize about the education level, about the education system. V4 News has shown it is not that only criticizing work, it is also to do something positive. And I'm sure when I was talking to Mr. Lakshman Kundar, he said so many students, so many trainees are working on the top channels of India internationally today, those who have been trained or those who were associated with V4 News. It's a great, great big feather in his cap. Thank you very much, Dr. Kurian, for sharing your views. Now I would like to invite my next guest, and he is Mr. Andy Pauls. Mr. Andy Pauls, who is he always preferred to be called as Mr. Paul. So Mr. Paul is the chairman of Global TV, which is India's first internet TV. He's a postgraduate in commerce. He is also a master practitioner in NLP and a hypnotherapist. He has 30 years experience in areas of teaching, media, and coaching. He's a communication trainer and a phobia healer as well. And before I will ask him to say, I will mention here one thing very clearly. Mr. Pauls was the person who made me to host this program of media conference. I have nothing to do with the journalism. I have nothing to do with the media. I was promoting my organ donation awareness program. He happened to meet me being the chairman of Global TV, and he started, because we were doing earlier with V4 News. He says, why not we also join with you? And then we have started that on the organ donation. But one fine day, he says, I want you to send a message for some program in a college. And I said, I cannot send I am going to talk about organ donation. He says, okay, send organ donation message. I sent the message. I was not in India. I was at that time in Hawaii, in USA. When I landed up here, the next day, he immediately called me. He says, are you free in the evening? I said, I just came yesterday night. He says, no, there is an important program and I want you to host the program. I said, but I have no experience of hosting a program. But because he insisted, I went there and all top people were there. One Mughal, the media Mughal was there, Mr. He was from this Indian Express family, one CA, one the DC of the Mangalore, and one Jain University vice chancellor, pro vice chancellor of that time. And I hosted of my whatsoever I was little knowing because seeing how they used to host. And afterward, he says, no, now I want that you should host. I spoke to Mr. Kundar about this, and he also saw. He says, yes, yes, you are doing well. And one fine morning, Mr. Kundar gave me a call. He says, Mr. Goyal, can you come to my studio? I said, for what? Well, today we are going to have the counting of elections, and I want you to do this analysis. I said, but I cannot do. I have no knowledge of your language. I was very sorry, but I have not learned. So he says, no problem. Can you do it in English or Hindi, whichever is comfortable? And he called me, and I was there for 2 or 3 days. He called me continuously. So that type of faith, if a person can show to a amateur who was having no experience, this shows that how much they can promote the person, and they have seen the ability or whatnot. But today I am a forced host of this program because of these two gentlemen. Thank you very much. Now I would like to invite Mr. N.V. Paulus to share his views about Mangalore, the pride of Mangalore, V4 News. Mr. N.V. Paulus, please.
For me, V4 News is a national TV channel with a regional outlook. I will tell it very clearly. The programs of V4 News is at par or even better than most of the national TV channels. And the outlook, the vision, I will put it very clearly. I had an interaction with Mr. Lakshman and Dr. Habib Rahman. After 2-3 meetings, Dr. Habib, when I met him personally, he told me, this gentleman is a visionary media person. He has a vision about media, and he is very different from other media people. And this is how I have established a silent partnership with Mr. Lakshman. And what I have seen in him is he's always calm. That could be because of his sportsman background. Everything, anything which is told, he wants to know the specifics and get into the action. He will do the things what he's supposed to do. And he may not argue with you what is you doing for him. And I wanted to tell many great things in Mangalore is happening because of the leadership of V4 News. And it should be like that. Media's job, media, as we know, reporting is a post-mortem task. Post-mortem is happening once everything is over, they report who is wrong, who is best, and media become a judge. Whereas in V4's case, V4 is taking leadership of activities, presenting things, and taking the society forward into the growth process. And if I should recall, the most wonderful thing happened to me that I have come to Mangalore by mistake. I was very comfortable at Kottayam, being PRO of a very, very reputed newspaper, Deepika, 140 years old, and very safe. The concerned people, when they started Kannur edition, they asked, can you just come and help us for a month? I told yes. When I reached Kannur, they asked, can you just go and check whether Mangalore has a potential? I came next day here and I told it's a very, very potential place. Oh, please stay back there. I was forced it that way. I reached Bangalore. And I tell you, that is one of the most fascinating thing happened in my life. Mangalore is a very peculiar place. I can tell it, it's a half-awakened land. I am saying it is a half-awakened land because it is yet to be fully awakened. Because Mangalore doesn't know the power of Mangalore. That is the whole problem in Mangalore. It has tremendous potential of all nature. And the most fantastic among them is the people of the place. You can walk into any house in Mangalore and ask for water, and they will host your lunch and send you back. They will not ask you, who are you, where are you coming from, and what is your background, what is your name, which caste you belong. To my experience, I can vouch for it. And this is the beauty of Mangalore. So I call Mangalore being the headquarters of positive media. And I am shameless in calling that. I am courageous saying that I am one among that. I'm very clear about that. So when we realize the power of Mangalore, Mangalore is a place where more Mangaloreans are outside. A very small population of Mangalore is in Mangalore, and all others well-to-do, doing good, most of them are outside. And it is the job of the media to connect them and put them into real activity of development. And media has a positive role to take. When media put a wrong message about Mangalore, even now we are struggling to change the name of Mangalore. People, when I went into Hyderabad, somebody is asking, are you still living in Mangalore? Because after the pub attack and those news, and even after a year also that time, are you still living in Mangalore? Still living in Mangalore? Is the place very safe? This is the role of media, giving good name and bad name. But Mangalore is a place, now Kerala is popular as known as God's own country. For me, if somebody asks me which city you prefer, my native place or Mangalore, for me, without doubt, I can say I prefer Mangalore. If not my mother there, I'm not interested to go there. That kind of an attachment. I tell people I have green card in Mangalore. I have a green card in Mangalore. That means I become a resident in this place. And that is how the whole, the heart-to-heart relationship between people, which is, I don't think it is possible in many cities in India. Maybe entire Indian culture may be of that kind, but Mangalore has it deep in everyone's heart. And now media, now everybody realize media has to be positive to survive. If media is not positive, it is like an angry child. Nobody welcome an angry child. Doing nothing and shouting at people who are doing something and troubling them is not the way. I remember I brought one wing commander to Mangalore. I took him to many places. He told me there is a lot of vacancies in Air Force. There's an imbalance in representation from Karnataka. There are very less number of people from Karnataka joining Indian Air Force. And other two states also was in that mode. That Lal Goyal said, you'll be knowing Wing Commander Arjit Ghosh. When I met him, he was the squadron leader, Arjit Ghosh. He was commanding officer of Airmen Selection Center at Bangalore. I was working in Indian Express that time. So I was taken to his office and introduced. Before he talked anything, I asked him, can Indian Express do something with the Indian Air Force? That is my habit. And he told me, gentlemen, we can do so many things. Please be seated. And he told me the reality. I want support from the media because I want so many people to join Indian Air Force from Karnataka. Then only that balancing of representation will happen. But I will not take bribe and take people join Indian Air Force. They should pass the exam. I can give them model question paper. I can come and talk to them, motivate them, everything I can do. And I took him to across the Karnataka. That time I was in Belgaum. I took him to Belgaum, Hubli, everywhere. And later he told me the representation from Karnataka gone 500 times more because of this intervention. All I have done is I have involved media. I have created a campaign. I brought people. I conducted programs. I made him to come and talk and given the sample question papers and how to prepare for Air Force exam, all those things, people joined from here. I don't know who all are the people joined, but I'm sure those blessings will come to me in different way. And similar way, Mangalore is a very, very fertile land. This is a place where several banks are born. Banks are born. Other day we were having a session about Corporation Bank. Corporation Bank, from inception up to 70s, they were very ordinary bank. Very ordinary bank. But when a new team has come to play the leadership, suddenly they become a very, very prominent, popular leading bank. So what I am trying to tell is, when media take a leadership of development activity in the society will progress faster. We should identify where is the resource like. Everybody is talking, we are bringing investment and we are bringing investment and investment will bring development. There are hundreds of places which is lying underutilized, and we are not doing anything to revive them. Now suppose we revive. Now Lakshman is doing a lot of activities for the revival of tourism sector. We should directly participate in the activities, take part in the activities to know the real feeling. So I asked someone about how to tell the real feeling. So he told the example of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte, he was, whenever he want to attack, attach, connect, grab any country, he should just send a message. Napoleon is coming to fight with you. If you have courage, fight or surrender. So countries will surrender. Similar way, Napoleon went to attack Russia. And Russian army, they knew we cannot fight and succeed with Napoleon. So what they have done is, they have taken a different method. They retreated from the main places to interior places. They ran away, they ran behind their main centers, and they escaped into interior places. For the Napoleon's army, it was a free entry and free capture. They went on capturing. But the Russian army, while retreating, they were removing all possibility for the food supply for Napoleon army. There were no food available anywhere in those areas where they were going. And the climate was also changing. It has become very, very cold. And at one point, Napoleon realized that things are changing and my army is in a mutiny. They are fighting back. They may any time against me, they will move. So he told, we are not going back. At any case, you all about turn and walk forward, march forward, he told. And when they were retreating, the Russian army came to attack. And in that attack, there were very much, so many of Napoleon army were killed. And then Napoleon was protected by a group of people, and then he was separated from them, and he ran for his life. And Russian army spotted him, they ran behind. And at one point, he went into a cotton shop and got into the cotton inside. He ran inside and hid there. And the shopkeeper was seeing Napoleon, the king, the mighty king, is now hiding in my shop. Few minutes later, Russian army came searching him. They asked him, did you see Napoleon coming? No, he told, I have not seen. And they put all effort, and the spear they sprang into this one bundle, but it did not touch Napoleon. And they went back after a while, and after some time, Napoleon's army also came searching him, and when everything is safe, Napoleon came out. So this shopkeeper felt very happy. I saved the life of the king, Napoleon the king. And he felt so happy. So in that happy mood, he asked the king, what was your feeling when you were struggling for life? So Napoleon king, he responded, you are having the audacity to ask such a nonsense questions to King Napoleon. I am going to kill you right now for asking such a question to the King Napoleon. And he removed his sword from his arm, and he told his people to hide his face, hide his eyes, cover his eyes. And this man his face was covered, and he told, at the count of 3, I am going to kill you. And then he counted 1, 2, and 3, and suddenly he removed the cover from his eyes and told, do you know what I felt when I was running for my life? That was a real experience for the shopkeeper. He realized. And this is what is exactly about anything growth success. You should get into the water to know the water, to feel the water. So that is why I am telling, I am a media person. I wanted to get into the activity and become part of the activity, and I want to make that activity to become successful and take my share. So I tell people, anybody who has potential, come forward. We will give media support. Let us work together and then take our place into progress. This is what Lakshman is doing. Lakshman is seen around the people always. There is so many people. It's a crowded place. He's not following Corona protocol, I think, most of the time. And maybe physical distancing is followed. But he has a number of teams of people working. He is into a lot of activities. Much before the national TV channels or in par with the national TV channels, he has created Comedy Premier League, which has become one of the best programs. And all the programs are practical programs. And I'll tell you, in India, out of the cable TV news network, the channels run in the cable TV platform, I think V4 News is the #1 in the country, which has that kind of a reach. And when all the cable TV channels adopt this national TV quality and regional outlook, that will fetch development for each place. And development cannot happen at global in the sky. We cannot make progress in the moon, going to moon. We have to make progress at local. Global approach and local approach should go together. We can have a global vision, but action should happen at global. So I admire him getting into the tourism initiatives, getting into sports initiatives. What I do is to connect with such people. Now, other day I was talking to Wing Commander Ghosh, and Wing Commander Ghosh and Enrico Piperno wanted to create a large number of sports event managers in the country. Number of opportunities are, we can have at least 5,000 sports event managers in India. Not in India, in Karnataka. 5,000 sports event managers professionally organizing events. We want 5,000 tourism ambassadors for Karnataka. When we go to Holy Land tour, we want a tourism guide. And when people come to Mangalore, I asked with the hotelier, what is there to see? There is nothing to see here, sir. There are, everywhere you turn in Mangalore is a tourism place. So we should come out with like a 14-day tour in Mangalore. Like that, packages we need to bring in. And I'm sure media like V4 will do such a tremendous initiatives, taking leadership in action. I wish Mr. Lakshman a happy birthday. I wish V4 News great success. And for Lal Goyal sir, the support which you are giving and the kind of connectivity you are bringing to Mangalore through the kind of, I think about 2,000 people we have connected in the platform already in these 2 years. And when we put all of them into action, and we are doing youth episodes, and we are nurturing youth editors, and when all of them come into program, America is, other day, the vice president is telling, this is a land of opportunities. Can we make our land a land of opportunities? Yeah, when we make our land a land of opportunities, our people will turn around this a better place than America. There's nothing special to see in America which we cannot see here. I stop here. I think my time is, I crossed my time. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. And Ms. Lakshman, thank you very much for all your support. And you will make a real difference in the days to come. All the very best.
Thank you very much, Mr. Paul. I can understand when a media person speaks, so it's very difficult to stop the media person. But what I will just add one thing, what Mr. Paul has mentioned about the Mangalore. I am here for last now almost almost 16 years, and I found the best place in the country, not even the country, even internationally. As I told you, I was at Hawaii, and the climate and everything of Hawaii is similar to Mangalore, but they are very much advanced as well as the tourism is concerned. I'm sure with the help of the media and especially V4 News and Global TV, we can bring the Mangalore on a world map in as far as the tourist is concerned. One more thing I would like to inform my viewers. I have seen so many cities and countries. I have not seen a rich city like Mangalore. And my scale of richness is about the person's pattern. And I have seen not a single beggar outside any temple or mosque or a church here in Mangalore, which is nowhere. I belongs to a place called Mathura, where the Lord Krishna was born. There, every temple, if you will go, you will find the queues of the beggars. But here, no one is begging. This shows the richness. Now, I thank you very much, Mr. Paul, for giving so much information. I'm sure that our viewers are quite enriched today about the Mangalore as well as for V4. Now, the man Friday himself is with us, and he is none other than Mr. Lakshman Kundar. Welcome, Mr. Lakshman Kundar. I would like to introduce you first. Mr. Lakshman Kundar is the chairman and managing director as well as managing editor of V4 News, Mangalore. He is an ex-army man. He is in cable TV business for last 3 decades. Mr. Kundar belongs to a sports and athletes family. He himself is a very good player of basketball. V4 News is one of the leading news channel in Karnataka. Mr. Lakshman has launched successfully V4 Stream, a OTT platform recently. V4 Stream is an OTT platform which is available on app on which one can see all sorts of program around the world. And today, his birthday as well as the 16th anniversary celebration of the V4 News. Mr. Lakshman, many happy returns of the day and happy birthday to you. You have heard all our panelists, Mr. Ramnath Pai Marur, Dr. Kurian, as well as Mr. Paul, talking about Mangalore, Pride, as well as V4 News. And basically, everybody knows that in any organization, the success of organizations, the man behind is the main person who has promoted from the very beginning. Like a child, success is always whether they give the credit or not, but the credit goes to the parents. Similarly, you are the main, or you can, I will say, you are the mother and father of V4 News. Now, we would like to know from you your views, how you have your journey for this last 16 years. I'm sure as Mr. Ram Mohan Pai has mentioned about your hard work, hardship that you have faced, and in spite of that, what is the mantra that you are unbiased? Because media means they want money for anything. Even I can tell you, if when I wanted to talk about organ donation, the main media says, if you want to talk about even for organ donation, you have to pay the money. While I can put on records, till now, not a single penny was paid from my side to V4 News or to Global TV. This is the greatness, either as everybody mentioned about the greatness of the city people, as well as of Mr. Lakshman Suvarna Kundar. Mr. Lakshman Suvarna Kundar, your views on the pride of Mangalore, V4 News. Mr. Lakshman Suvarna Kundar, please.
सुवर्ण मेरा माँ है, मैं भी सुवर्ण ही हूँ। मैं हिंदी में बात करना चाहता हूँ सर आपसे।
जी जी, बोलिए बोलिए।
आपके साथ मैं हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हूँ
जी।
तो मैंगलोर ऐसा चीज है, एक आप देखा होगा, यहाँ पर जो सिटी बस आप देखे, यहाँ का जैसे सिटी बस आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा। और यहाँ का सिटी बस का टाइमिंग देख लीजिए और क्लीनिनेस देख लीजिए, और यहाँ का कंडक्टर और या तो बस ड्राइवर देख लीजिए, सब लोग एकदम साफ सुथरे हैं। थोड़े हल्ला गुल्ला रहता है, वो तो पार्ट ऑफ द उनका लाइफ है, वो लाइफ स्टाइल है। ऐसे ही केबल टीवी पूरा वर्ल्ड में जब शुरू हुआ ना, उसी टाइम में ऑलमोस्ट इंडिया में भी मतलब शुरू नहीं हुआ था सर, मगर मैंगलोर में शुरू हुआ था। ये आपको एक मैं नया आपको चीज दे रहा हूँ आपको। पुत्तूर में केबल टीवी चल रहा था सर, कहीं भी नहीं था, पुत्तूर में था। वहां पर सिर्फ एक सिंगल चैनल था। उधर वीसीडी में वीसीडी प्लेयर होता है, उसमें डेली एक मूवी दिखाते थे। वो हर जहाँ जहाँ उसका कनेक्टिविटी था उसको मिलता था। ये मैं आपको 40 इयर्स का बात कर रहा हूँ बैक का। ये 2 साल 3 साल चलने के बाद ही केबल टीवी का ज्यादा से बाद में चैनल्स पूरा आना शुरू हो गया, चैनल भी इंक्लूड हो गया कि वीसीडी के साथ चैनल शुरू हुआ। अभी बाकी जगह में कैसे है कि चैनल के साथ हमारा वीसीडी चला था। ये मैंगलोर का एक खासियत है। और यहाँ का आप टेम्पल देखा होगा, 600 टेम्पल्स है इधर, 600 टेम्पल्स है। ये हमारा बैकबोन है, ये भी एक इवेंट ही समझिए ये भी। और जहाँ यहाँ ये कल्चरल एक्टिविटी होता है, उसके साथ साथ पूजा के साथ कल्चरल एक्टिविटी होता है यहाँ पर, ये भी हम लोगों को मिलता है। इसी वजह से मैंगलोर में इतना टैलेंटेड लोग बाहर आ रहे हैं। और मैंगलोर का खाना पीना आपको मालूम है, उडुपी होटल्स या तो जो मैंगलोर का अभी ओशन पर्ल देखा होगा आपको, पूरा देश में आपको 300 से ज्यादा उनका आउटलेट्स है, वो भी मैंगलोर में।
सागर रत्ना और कामत होटल्स, या तो जो भी आप आइसक्रीम देख लीजिए, यहाँ का आइसक्रीम कितना टाइप का, बड़े बड़े आइडियल होगा, हांगे होगा, या तो नेचुरल्स होगा, और भी 5-6 ये बंटवाल में एक है। ऐसे बहुत पायनियर इधर, और क्वालिटी में भी इन लोग वर्ल्ड का ऐसा इसमें आइसक्रीम के साथ कॉम्पीट करके यहाँ उधर से कप लेके आते हैं। और आप यहाँ इंस्टीट्यूशन देखो, आप कितना कॉलेजेस है यहाँ पर, कितना यूनिवर्सिटीज है। और यहाँ आपको मिलेगा 4 रिवर। मैंगलोर और उडुपी देखा तो और भी ज्यादा हो जाएगा, या तो कोस्टल कर्नाटक देखो तो और भी ज्यादा रिवर मिलेगा, साथ ही साथ आपको कोस्टल लाइन में मिलेगा। ये पूरा आपको वेराइटी, और उसके साथ साथ यूथ का जो स्ट्रेंथ है, ये हमारा स्ट्रेंथ भी था। कुरियन सर, आपने बात किया था पहले हमारा बारे में, आप कुरियन सर एक भूल गए कि वहां पर हफ्ते में एक बार उनका सिर्फ बच्चे लोग ही तैयारी करके आधा घंटे का न्यूज देते हैं। जैसे वही उसको हम लोग यूथ के लिए हम लोग डेडिकेट किया है। ऐसे ही एलोशियस में भी एक आधा घंटा का न्यूज आता है, पूरा एक हफ्ते का उनका जो एक्टिविटीज होता है। वैसे एसडीएम कॉलेज का भी होता है। इसमें क्या होता है, यूथ को एक तो उनको नया सीखने के लिए मिलेगा, और एडिटिंग भी उनके साथ में आ जाएगा, और उसका एंकरिंग भी आ जाता है, और सभी लोग उसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं। यहाँ जर्नलिज्म का बहुत कॉलेज है इधर, 4-5-6 है, और अच्छा कॉलेज भी है। और बच्चे लोग भी हम लोगों को इधर आके प्रैक्टिकल के लिए आते। क्या कई बच्चे लोग, उनका 3 साल का या तो 5 साल का स्टडीज रहते हैं, तो पहले साल में ही उन लोग हमारे पास आते हैं कि हम लोगों को प्रैक्टिकल चाहिए, तो आ जाओ मैं सिखाता हूँ आपको। हमारे बच्चे लोग भी इधर सिखाते हैं हमको। तो कम से कम अभी 700 से ऊपर हमारा यहाँ सीखे बच्चे लोग, और वो बच्चे लोग अभी बड़े बड़े एनडीटीवी होगा, या तो टाइम्स में होगा, या तो TV9 में होगा, या तो सुवर्ण में होगा, या तो हर जगह में अभी आपको 1-2 तो हमारा लोग जी में भी लोग हमारा है इधर। और कई लोग अपना घर पे प्रोग्राम बना के बड़े बड़े चैनल को देने वाला भी है। अभी बड़े बड़े अभी जी पूरा आउटसोर्स करते हैं प्रोग्राम्स को, उन लोग एडिट करके उधर दे देते हैं। उसमें भी हमारे बच्चे लोग उधर काम कर रहे हैं अभी। ये एक हमारा प्राइड है मैंगलोर के लिए। साथ ही साथ हमारा जो मैं बोला अभी आपको, इवेंट्स अभी कल्चरल इवेंट होते हैं, वैसे ही स्पोर्ट्स का इवेंट भी बाकी का जगह को देख लिया तो मैंगलोर में बहुत ज्यादा होता है। यहाँ लोकल प्रोग्राम्स बहुत, क्रिकेट अभी रबर बॉल क्रिकेट इधर ही मिलेगा, आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, इंडिया में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा। अंडर आर्म रबर बॉल क्रिकेट बोलते हैं इसको, ये सिर्फ मैंगलोर में मिलता है। वो भी उसका स्पेशल लाभ है हमारा उर्वा, हमारा घर का नजदीक, वो भी मेरे को शायद एक नया अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला होगा उस वजह से भी। ये भी हमको सॉरी। साथ ही साथ उधर हमारा नजदीकी संगनिकेतन बोल के
वहाँ
गणेश,
यस उधर गणेशोत्सव और अदर कल्चरल एक्टिविटी, और उसके बाद हमारा बक्कापटनम में 3-4 टेम्पल्स है, वहाँ भी हमको मिला। और
सुल्तान बत्तेरी,
या सुल्तान बख्तरी भी वो नहीं है। सो ये पूरा, और मंगला हमारा ग्राउंड
स्टेडियम,
वो भी हमको नजदीक है। सो इस वजह से मेरे को इतना अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला। बास्केटबॉल का भी मैं लाइव दिया था, एथलेटिक्स का लाइव दिया था, और मैराथन का लाइव दिया था। एक अलग ये है, मैराथन में हम लोग 20 कैमरा लगाया था उस दिन, अलग अलग इसमें। तो इंटरनेशनली आपको मैराथन मिला तो भी उतना ही कैमरा लगता है। हाँ, एक एक्स्ट्रा है, उन लोग हेलीकॉप्टर में भी शूट करते हैं, हम लोग ड्रोन में शूट किया। तो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी भी हम लोगों को भगवान ने दिया होगा शायद, पता नहीं। और मेरा माँ बाप, मेरा घर में ही हमारा अखाड़ा था कुश्ती का, और उधर कम से कम मेरा ख्याल से 1000 से ज्यादा लोग आके कुश्ती सीखे या तो व्यायाम सीखे। और मारूफ सर का पिताजी और मेरा पिताजी दोस्त थे, उनका भी हेल्थ बहुत बढ़िया था। वो भी मेरा पिताजी के बारे में बोलते थे, मारूफ सर का पिताजी। और ये आप उधर इधर हमारा जो केबल का नेटवर्क है, वहाँ पूरा कोंकणी लोग है, मारूफ सर भी कोंकणी है। तो उधर पूरा, मैं पहले बार आया ना, सभी मेरा सिर पे हाथ लगाया था और आशीर्वाद दिया था। मैं मतलब एक अलग सा ये है, और वो कल्चर उनका हाथ वो है कोंकणी में। उन लोग बच्चों को, अभी हम लोग, हमारा बच्चे अभी 7 साल के बाद हम बिजनेस में नहीं लगाते, मगर इन लोग 7 साल हो गया, बच्चा वो पैसा गिनने शुरू कर दिया, इन लोग अपना दुकान में बैठाएंगे 1-2 घंटे के लिए पक्का, और सिखाते हैं उन लोग। इसलिए ज्यादा एंटरप्रेन्योर्स निकलते कोंकणी में। जैसे मैं बोला आपको, होटल्स देख लीजिए, या तो आइसक्रीम का पार्लर देख लीजिए, या तो अभी मारूफ सर का देख लीजिए, या तो भारत ग्रुप है, ये स्कूल बुक का ग्रुप है।
फैमिली कल्चर,
हाँ,
फैमिली बिजनेस का।
इस वजह से एक तो उनका बैक सपोर्ट भी मिलता है, नया सोचने के लिए भी एक क्या बोलते हैं उसको, और शायद मेरे को कुश्ती
उत्साह मिलता है।
मैं कुश्ती में मेरा भाई के साथ था, दोनों अच्छे कुश्ती प्लेयर थे, कुश्ती पटु थे, मगर मैं ज्यादा कुश्ती में नहीं था, क्योंकि एक छोटा सा घटना हुआ था, उस वजह से। फिर भी मैं बाद में आर्मी में ज्वाइन हो गया, शायद आर्मी में मैं बास्केटबॉल में था। तो आर्मी का कल्चर भी आपको मत पता है, तो इस वजह से भी वो शायद।
लक्ष्मण जी, आपकी जो लाइफ है पहले वाली, वो हम आज आप शाम को जो प्रोग्राम है उसमें सब बताएंगे। हम सिर्फ आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं, एक जो सबने बात कही, आप इतनी ज्यादा दलदल में, मैं दलदल वर्ड इसलिए यूज कर रहा हूं कि आज हर आदमी मीडिया को कहता है कि ये दलदल में फंस गया। आप 16 साल तक बिल्कुल अछूते, आपने कोई भी कभी भी किसी को गलत रूप में नहीं देखा। और जैसे अभी आप इतनी बड़ी बात कर रहे हैं, तारीफ कर रहे हैं, मीडिया वाले हमेशा, जैसे मिस्टर पॉल ने बताया कि गुस्से में रहते हैं, एंग्री। आप कभी एंग्री नहीं रहे, आप हमेशा तारीफ कर रहे हैं। कोई आपने शिकायत नहीं की कि हमारे मैंगलोर में ये खराबी है, वो खराब, आप हमेशा तारीफ कर रहे हैं। ऐसा आपके पास कहां से, आपने इतना, आपके पास संयम और इतना सहनशीलता आई, आपने टॉलरेंस आई?
यही तो मैं बताया अभी। मैं पहले मेरा कुश्ती में हम लोग वो सहनशीलता, तो पहले हम लोग खेलने से पहले माँ बाप का पैर पकड़ना पड़ता है, तो गुरुजी का पैर पकड़ना पड़ता है। उसके बाद हमारा अखाड़ा का पैर उसको छूते हैं हम लोग, उसके बाद हम लोग कुश्ती करते हैं। जैसे आर्मी भी ऐसे है, आर्मी में हो गया क्या, उधर देखो आप, टेम्पल, चर्च, गुरुद्वारा एक साथ मिलता है उधर, मस्जिद भी एक साथ मिलता है, और चारों में हम लोग जाते हैं उधर, और चारों गुरुओं का पैर पकड़ते हैं हम लोग, आशीर्वाद लेते हैं। और हर चीज में आगे जाते वक्त बजरंगबली की जय बोलते हैं हम लोग, वहां पर भारत माता की जय बोलते हैं। उसके साथ ही हम लोग, हमारा दिन शुरू हो जाता है। सो इसी वजह से मेरे को पॉजिटिविटी भी, मैं पॉजिटिव का देखता हूँ, वो नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों हमारा साथ रहते हैं, मगर ज्यादा हम लोग वही सोचना चाहिए, बस इतना ही है मेरा। और अभी जो नया अभी हमारा शुरू, हम लोग नया एक चीज कर रहे हैं कि मैंगलोर में बहुत अभी आगे का दिन में बहुत लोग अभी खाली रहेंगे, बहुत लोगों का भी नौकरी चला जाएगा।
निकल
हाँ, तो नया ये है कि खुद का नौकरी का ढूंढो, खुद आगे बढ़ो।
सेल्फ।
ये मैंगलोर के लिए आराम से हमारा मतलब इधर बहुत चीज है, जैसे कि आप 4 रिवर है, बैकवाटर्स है और ये बीचेस है। सो टूरिज्म वर्ल्ड का नंबर 2 उद्योग देने वाला एक चीज है। सो इस चीज को हम लोग आगे बढ़ाने के लिए खुद हम उसी काम पे लगे हुए हैं। अभी मैं एक QC अबक्का क्वीन क्रूज बोल के क्रूज का शुरुआत किया था, उसके साथ मेरा भाई अभी मिला, वो अभी एक आइलैंड परचेज किया उधर का अपना कुदरा कुडलो, उसको अभी डेवलप कर रहे हैं हम लोग। और उसके साथ साथ बहुत कुदरू इधर में हमारा साथ है, ये कुदरू माने आइलैंड सर। सो यहाँ बहुत आइलैंड्स है, उसको ये पूरा गवर्नमेंट के साथ है, प्राइवेट आइलैंड्स 2-3 है बस। ये पूरा डेवलप किया तो बहुत लोग काम मिलेगा। और होम स्टे, ये रिवर का साइड में होम स्टे, और रिवर को साफ करने का जरूरत है, बहुत जरूरत है, क्योंकि मैं ये रिवर में स्विमिंग किया हुआ आदमी हूँ, मगर ये रिवर अभी पैर रखने के लिए नहीं होगा, इतना खराब किया है। खराब कौन किया है? हम ही लोगों ने किया है, मैं दूसरे को नहीं बताऊंगा, हम ही लोगों ने किया। हाँ, पूरा इंडस्ट्रीज का पूरा कचरा उसी में आ रहे हैं, उसको साफ करने के लिए हम लोग अभी DC साहब को भी 1-2-4 बार मैं बात किया, अभी पता नहीं अभी आगे जाके क्या क्या हो जाए। प्रवासोद्यम का सचिव योगेश्वर सर भी इधर आया था, तो भी हम बात किया था, देखेंगे, फिंगर क्रॉस करेंगे। हमारा यतीश भाई कंपाड़ी आज आने वाले थे, उनके जगह में अभी राम मोहन सर आया। सो यतीश सर भी उसके लिए बहुत कुछ काम कर रहे थे, तो और भी करने का जरूरत है। सर बताइए सर।
जी, बहुत 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 धन्यवाद मिस्टर लक्ष्मण सुवर्णा आपको। यू हैव गिवन the positiveness. You are always talking about the positivity. That is the greatness of you, and that's why this 16 years journey, whatsoever difficulty, hardship you have found, even I have asked you, but you have not given those hardship. That is a greatness. This shows that whatsoever has happened, what you are going to do for the future, and you are always thinking about the upliftment or something which is beneficial for the society. I remember the simpleness of you when I met for the first time Mr. Lakshman Kundar. He came to my office at Kankanadi, and my receptionist informed me that, sir, one Mr. Kundar has come. He's the chairman. I said, who is he? Well, he's the chairman of V4 News. I said, but the chairman of a V4 News coming to my office like this. I called him. The way he spoke to me for the first time, I became his fan. I said, this is a person with such a backing and with such a high position. He is having no air, such a down to earth. Thank you very much, Mr. Kundar, for giving views. Now I will go back to Mr. Ram Mohan Pai. Mr. Ram Mohan Pai, would you like to share any other memory of, or you want to say something to Mr. Kundar?
I would love to say something to Kundar. Whatever he has been doing, he has been very, very positive. Now there are some issues which we have to put in, like our I don't know, we can call it jinx or anything. Mangalore has suffered through highways. We have to, like, if you see Kottara, if you see some of the places, like for example Nantur, all these junctions have been there is no other opening anywhere. How to go about it. These people like Kundar can put our views, and not in a negative way. We want to grow. It is not that we some of the things happen unknowingly. So how to bring things, put about Mangalore, how to develop Mangalore in a very nice way. Wherever there are issues, we should show it and correct those things.
Yes, you want to mean to say that we have to give the approach, not only complaining, but we should give the solution also.
Yes,
Ki what
yes,
type
with
of
the solution,
things,
correct.
and with the help of V4 News, you can very well air those solutions so that the authorities can hear. Thank you very much, Mr. Raman Pai. Now I'm going back to Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul, what you want to say now after listening to Mr. Lakshman Kundar? Anything which you would like to say to him?
I had several meetings with him. I never succeeded in convincing him saying what I am doing is practical. But every time he say yes, yes, whatever you want from me, he give the support. But he is still not confident about what practicality is there in what I am telling. So that is because I am talking too much things in too confusing way. I also started understanding that I did not talk too many things at once. So now slowly in tourism sector, suppose government-led activity happen, it is not going to succeed because all government-led activity is budget-centric. Somebody will bring some money and the people who are connected, everybody will be thinking how I can pocket money into my pocket. That will be their approach. Myself, I took a lot of initiative to bring Guhandara group of people to Mangalore to have a tourism program. They started with zero and they have made a huge advancement in tourism entire thing. They are now developing in so many places. We told we will give employment for all the houses in Tanirbavi. We will attach each one, we will create opportunity there in the tourism project. He told you will give employment for every family, one person. But we could not succeed it. In the process, what happens is, so what I'm trying to tell is, media should come to the leadership of these activities, bringing the right people into the process and get things done. In that direction, Lakshman is doing a lot of positive initiatives.
Okay.
So we need to promote, go fast in those lines.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Paul. I know today, Mr. Lakshman, day is a very hectic day from morning to evening. So many visitors are coming, congratulating him, but he's kind enough to give us the time. Any message you want to give, Mr. Lakshman, to the youth and the young generation?
इससे पहले सर ये साल, ये 2 साल हमारा बहुत, लोग बोलेंगे हमारा खराब साल बोलिए, मगर मैं बोलता हूँ सीखने का साल भी रहा। इस साल में जो भी कोरोना के लिए मतलब काम किए हैं, आज 50 संस्थान इधर आ रहे हैं, उनको हम लोग फैसिलिटेट कर रहे हैं और उनके साथ साथ एक टोटल 100 लोगों को हम लोग इधर बुलाया हुआ है। उन लोग सुबह से 10 बजे से रात को 6 बजे तक, हम लोग शाम को 6 बजे तक उन लोग आएंगे एक एक करके। अभी पीछे से हमारा फैसिलिटेशन का काम शुरू हो गया। सुबह भरत शेट्टी सर आए थे, उसके पहले मॉर्निंग SL शेट का, डायमंड हाउस का, उनका योगा का एक अभी प्रोग्राम भी था, उनके साथ भी प्रोग्राम हो गया। अभी ये पूरा शाम तक चलते रहेगा सर। और यूथ के लिए तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत है, ग्रैब करने का ज़रूरत है और सीखने का। आजकल बहुत आराम से सीख सकते हैं, यूट्यूब में सब कुछ मिलता है। आपको कोई भी चीज़ सीखना है, अभी जर्नलिज्म समझिए, टूरिज्म समझिए, या तो स्पोर्ट्स का इवेंट भी हो सकते हैं। आजकल आपको स्पोर्ट्स में भी आपको अचीव करना है तो इंटरनेशनल, अभी आपको माइकल पेल्प का भी स्विमिंग का पूरा शेड्यूल क्या है सोचा तो अभी मिल जाएगा। फिर मेरा भाई को पूरा मारूर सर का वाइफ ने दिया था शेड्यूल पूरा। वो सीखने में ज़्यादा ये था कि एथलेटिक्स का बारे में। तो आजकल पूरा यूट्यूब में मिलता है और लोग भी आराम से इंटरनेशनली कनेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग। तो फिंगर क्रॉस करके पॉजिटिव सोचे और आगे बढ़े हम लोग।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद लक्ष्मण जी आपका कि finger cross करके positive सोचे. Now this type of approach, if the media people will have, I am sure the country, we have the potential. I am sure that the potential what India is having and a city like Mangalore is having, nowhere this type of potential in the world we have seen. And if these types of persons, like Mr. Lakshman Kundar, if his approach is so positive, I am sure that India will be the global leader soon. Only thing is we must all come and support and be very positive, not in the way of Corona, but by the way of thinking. And as Mr. Kundar has mentioned that they are felicitating those Corona warriors, front Corona warriors, that is a very, very positive aspect that on their 16th anniversary, they are doing some very, very social cause work. So thank you very much, Mr. Lakshman Suvarna, for giving time, and especially for on this very, very auspicious day when you are celebrating your birthday, as well as you are also celebrating your anniversary of your news. Thank you very much, Mr. Raman Pai. Thank you very much, Mr. Paul, and thank you very much, Dr. Kurian, for joining us today. And today's program has been live telecasted by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV India, News Gaon se, Samvad Sarokar News, Bharat Post News, as well as for shown live on Facebook and YouTube. And our endeavor is to bring to you every day new topic. But as you know that for last 1 month, we are doing an evening program. And today is the day of Mr. Lakshman. So today evening, my program, Kal Aaj aur Kal Lal Goyal ke Sang, my chief guest is Mr. Lakshman Kundar, Chairman, Managing Director and Managing Editor of V4 News. And in that program, we are going to listen from him, his life journey from the childhood to now. Right now, we have, in this program, today morning program, we talked about V4 News. But in that program, we will hear from him, how he has started his life journey from his birth till now and how he has achieved, because this program is dedicated for achievers, those who have achieved something. And today is the day for Mr. Lakshman Kundar, because he is really achiever, a real hero, not a real hero for the society. Thank you very much. And thank you all the viewers for watching our show. Please keep watching our show. Thank you very much. Thank you.